Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. In this tutorial, we are going to assemble the power transmission component of inline 6 engine. At first, we are going to assemble with sprocket chain, and then we are going to use an alternative method of power transmission, which is belt and pulley. Remember, if your PC is not too powerful, then it may slow down during chain sprocket assembly and cause serious problem during motion study. To avoid this problem, I recommend to use belt pulley method, which is shown after the chain sprocket assembly. Click on insert component, go to chain sprocket, then select cam sprocket and crank sprocket. Now place it here. Press Ctrl and select these two surfaces, then click on mate. Select concentric and click OK. Now select the key slot surface of the crank sprocket and the crankshaft. Select coincident and click OK. Now select this surface and this surface. Select coincident and click OK. Select this surface and this surface. Select concentric and click OK. Now rotate the cam sprocket. Now select the key slot surfaces. Select coincident and click OK. Now close the mate, expand insert component and select copy with mate. Now select the cam sprocket, then click on next. Now follow the violet color that's shown in the adjacent camshaft. The midplane of the all three sprocket should be in same plane. So at first we will make these two cam sprocket in same plane. So expand cam sprocket and select plane 4. Then press Ctrl and expand the other cam sprocket and select plane 4. Then click on mate. Select coincident and click OK. Now close the mate. Now select any of the cam sprocket midplane. Now press Ctrl and then expand crank sprocket and select the midplane of the crank sprocket, which is plane 6 here. Then click on mate. Now we need to synchronize all the engine components. The engine rotation is in clockwise direction, so put the intake valve as it is almost completely open. And place the exhaust valve as it is almost closed. The first piston is at top dead center. This means the first cylinder is at the start of intake stroke. Now expand assembly and select belt and chain. Now select this circle, this one here, and this one for crank sprocket. Now click on belt location plane, expand assembly, select the midplane of the cam sprocket. Click on use belt thickness and the thickness is 5 mm. Now click on insert component and select chain inner part and chain outer part, then click on open. Click here to place it. Expand linear component pattern and select chain component pattern. Select the third pitch method. Expand assembly, go to bottom, expand belt, then select the sketch. Now click on chain group 1 click on the fill path. Now select the inner chain component, then the two holes of the inner chain component respectively. Then it asks for chain alignment plane. Now expand the inner chain part, then select the plane one, which is the mid plane of it. Click on chain group 2 and select the outer chain part. Select these two surfaces and then the mid plane of the outer chain part. There is a gap here, so deselect fill path and increase one more in quantity. Now the gap is filled, so click OK. Now expand the belt and select the sketch and select the all other sketches. Right click over the sketch and select height. Now rotate the crankshaft. If you notice, you can see the chain is not moving with it. That's why we need to add one more mate. Click on mate, expand mechanical mate and select gear. Select this surface and this surface, then click OK. Now close the mate. Now you can see the chain is moving along with the crankshaft and camshaft. Now we are going to assemble with belt and pulley method. So go to insert and select cam pulley and crank pulley. Then click on open. Place it here. Now press Ctrl and select these two surfaces. Click on mate. Select concentric and click OK. Now select this surface and this surface. Select coincident and click OK. Now rotate the camshaft. Select the surface of key slots. Select coincident and click OK. Expand insert component and select copy with mates. Then select the cam pulley, then click on next. Now follow the violet color to select the proper surfaces. Now assemble the crank pulley using similar method. Now we have to synchronize all of the engine components. The engine crankshaft rotation is in clockwise direction. We will place the intake valve just before it is completely open. And the exhaust valve such as it is almost closed. The first piston is already placed in the top dead center. Expand assembly and select belt chain. Now select the outer surface of the pulley and the outer surface of this pulley also. Then click on create belt part. Then click OK. Now go to the bottom, expand belt, right click over the belt component and select open part. Now right click over the right plane and select normal to, right click again and select sketch. Now select line, and now we are going to create the cross section of the belt. Now press escape, select this line and click on for construction, then click OK. Select mirror entities and select this sketch. And then mirror about the center line. Now go to features and select sweep boss base. Now select the cross section and then select the belt sketch. Then click OK. Go to appearance, select rubber and then select matte rubber. Then go to the assembly. Now select all of these sketches, right click over it and select hide. Now rotate the crankshaft to check the assembly. So it is working properly.